Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching in. This is Aditya and you are watching the Techno Drift. This video is about Realme Narzo 20 Pro. We are giving this review after 30 days and the whole review will be given by Sanket just because I am enjoying the unboxing experience of Micromax in Note 1. That video is coming this weekend, so make sure you have turned on the notification bell. And yeah, you know the drill, right? Sit back, relax, buckle up, and enjoy the intro.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Now I hope you liked the intro. If you did, let us know in the comments. Now without further wasting your time, let's get into the review. Starting off with the build quality and design. Realme Narzo 20 Pro comes with a polycarbonate back and a plastic frame, but it is a glossy one which forms V-shape like patterns if you throw in some light. Now Realme has been following this design aesthetics for a while now, and we hope to see some design changes in the upcoming launches. Now Narzo 20 Pro comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel, and the icing on the cake is the 90Hz refresh rate. Now Realme remains the only brand that provides 90Hz refresh rate under the 15K segment. The color reproduction is good and they are punchier, as well as the viewing angles are great. Now honestly I prefer an AMOLED display, but at this price point it is not wise to expect an AMOLED display. Now the phone also has support for wideband L1, which means you can stream HD content in Netflix as well as Prime Video. The phone also has support for HDR videos as well. Now being an IPS display, the brightness is on point and the sunlight visibility is also great. Now there is Corning Gorilla Glass protection, but the company hasn't mentioned any version, but we expect that Realme should have given a Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Now on the software side of things, Narzo 20 Pro comes with Realme's own custom UI, which is the Realme UI. Now Realme UI is a much improved version of the ColorOS that it previously used to come with. You can expect a tons of features and customizations all over the UI. The UI is pretty smooth with minimal icons and there are no Chinese bloatwares pre-installed. Now let's have a look at the general performance. So the Narzo 20 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio G95, which is a 12nm processor, and that is paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. That is also expandable via a microSD card with up to 256GB. So yeah, these are the specs that are kind of the best specs you get in this price range. The Narzo 20 Pro gave me no complaint in everyday usage. Switching between apps is a breeze and the phone will not lag whatever apps you throw in. Talking about RAM management, the phone easily keeps up to 6 to 7 apps in the background, considering this is an 8GB variant. And for those interested in knowing the benchmark scores, here are the results. You get a score of 505 in single core performance and a score of 1649 in multi-core performance. Coming to gaming, this phone handles usual games like Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty very smoothly. While with Asphalt 9, the game is playable in high graphics, while with Call of Duty, we found out micro stutters when we played this game at very high graphics with high frame rates. But we recommend you to bring it down to high graphics and high frame rates for a smooth gaming experience. We played Call of Duty for around 15 minutes and there was a battery drop of around 6%, and the phone was also not so warm thanks to the carbon fiber cooling system. If you are a hardcore gamer, then you need to keep these things in mind. Overall, there were no such major battery drain or heating issues. Have a look at the gameplay.
Reloading! Cover me!
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV recon standing by.
Changing mag!
Talking about battery, this phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery that easily lasts for a day for heavy users and slightly more for light to medium users. Combination of the 12nm chipset along with Realme UI, you get a screen on time of 5 to 6 hours, which is not that great, but that is compensated by a 65-watt charging that is included in the box, which roughly takes around 40 minutes to fully charge the device from 0 to 100%. Now, cameras on this device are not that great, but it's not that bad either. You get a quad camera system with a 48 megapixel f1.8 Samsung GM2 sensor along with a 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The daylight photos are quite good with some amazing color shines and high dynamic range. The wide angle sensor with a 119-degree view also takes some amazing shots. The chroma boost feature on Realme phones takes some great color boosted shots, which is pleasing to eyes. The 2 megapixel macro camera as well as the 2 megapixel depth sensor does an amazing job in good lighting conditions. The low light performance of this camera is also not bad thanks to the f1.8 sensor. We took some night street photos and the result was quite good. Now the front camera is handled by a 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor that also supports portrait mode and night mode. The front camera also does an amazing job in retaining the colors and maintaining a good sharpness. Coming to video recording, this phone supports up to 4K 30fps and 1080p 60fps with a support for wide angle videos as well. While front camera is capable of recording 1080p 30fps videos. Now have a look at the sample footage. So this video is getting recorded at 1080p 30fps and the audio is also getting recorded through the internal microphone. Right now I'm in a busy area and you can get an idea of the noise cancellation as well. This is being shot during the evening time and you can get an idea of the color correction and exposure compensation. Right now I'm working and you can get an idea of the video stabilization as well. So now let's get back to the video. Now talking about security, the phone comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner that is scarily fast and you can register up to 5 fingerprints as well. The phone also comes with face unlock that is pretty accurate and quite fast. For all those unaware of the pricing, the Narzo 20 Pro comes in two variants, that is a 6GB RAM and a 64GB storage, which is priced at 13,999, and a 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, which is priced at 16,999 INR. Now according to me, Narzo 20 Pro is a great device for 14K. But if you want a better camera, a bigger battery, but you can settle with 30-watt charging, then you can check out Realme 7 at 15K. If you want a phone with Snapdragon 720G processor, then you can definitely check out the Poco M2 Pro, which is also priced at 15K. Now with that, we come to the end of the review. Smash the like button if you liked the video. If you have any questions regarding this device, then do let us know in the comment section below and we'll definitely reply. If you want to get in touch with us, then do follow us on all our social media handles. Thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.
But